morning, students. Have you done your homework? So, today we are going to start our lesson. Previous in the session 1, I gave the explanation. I told you about the syllabus. And total we have a unit, 8 units, 24 reading parts. So, in that, our first unit, theme of the unit is family. Theme of the unit is family. All of you open your textbooks. Just look at the picture here. What do you observe in this figure sheet? Family. Based on the family, here do you observe this picture here? Observe the picture and just try to speak out. Here in this picture, we can see grandfather, grandmother, son, son's wife and children. So here anyway family means total family. Even we have a family. In that family we can see our grandfather, grandmother, our father, mother and we can see 3 generations in a family. Is it right, children? Are you following? So, based on this theme family, we are going to read a lesson family. Again, come to the next page, page number 2 in your textbook. Open the page and see this face sheet. Observe this face sheet properly. Here we can see 2 pictures. Here how many photographs we can see? 2 photographs we can see. So if you observe the first photograph, father, mother, 2 children. This is called as a small family, or when we call it as a nuclear family. But if you observe another picture, if you observe another picture, what you can see? See grandfather, grandmother, and his first son might be, and first son's wife, 2 children, second son, his wife and children, third son, his wife and children. So it might be a joint family. Grandfather has 3 sons and 3 sons have its own family. It is a joint family. It is called joint family. 3 generations we can see. Is it right? Grandfather, his son and his granddaughters also we can see. So nowadays if you want to know about the family, what type of families do we find in our present day-to-day life or the society? Mostly we can find nuclear families. Is it right, children? In our present society, we can find nuclear families. So based on this, today we are going to read a lesson written by the Kamala Das. The name of the lesson itself is The Tattered Blanket. What is the name of the lesson? Blanket. Here we are talking about the family. Then how the title is related to this? See, tattered means torn. Torn. Blanket means anyway you know blanket which was laid on the bed. So how it is related, how this title is related to the lesson, later we can discuss. At present I am going to read the lesson, just listen. This is the Kamala Das lesson. The tattered blanket expresses the bitter truth of life in a stunning, simple manner. Listen. Listen carefully, open your textbook, put your finger on your textbook where I am reading, just listen properly. When he arrived unexpectedly at his home in the countryside, in Where from he got down? In the office car. He got down at the gate. In the where at the gate of his home. His mother. Where she sat? She was lying in an armchair. In the picture we can see. She was lying in an armchair. Armchair means totally taking in a relaxation mode. Arms and hands will be laid down coolly. She made a futile. Futile is nothing but unsuccessful. Underline the word futile. Futile means unsuccessful attempt to get up. Unsuccessful means she become old, she turned old, she couldn't get up as fast as so like us. So it was an unsuccessful attempt. She couldn't get up that much of fast. Kamala, there is somebody at the gate. She said, somebody in a car. So his mother shouted, Kamala, there is somebody at the gate. Someone is at the gate, she said. Somebody is in a car. She can see clearly somebody came in a car. Kamala, who is this Kamala? Her eldest daughter. Her eldest daughter, bigger daughter. A widow. A widow means her husband might have passed away. So those the husbands passed away, for that women we may call them as a widow. Who was sitting huddled up on a tinna on the veranda. So she is also sat beside the mother. In the picture we can see how she sat huddled. Huddled means held arms and legs together because of fear or the cold. Her head and ears covered with a thin bath towel, got up reluctantly, walked slowly to the gate and screwing up her eyes peered into the darkness. So where she sat, Kamala, who is this Kamala? Kamala is the eldest daughter of a mother. And where she sat on a tinna. Here you can see outside in the veranda, some of the height, sit out. And how was she? She has covered her head with a thin bath towel. And she got up reluctantly. Reluctantly means unwilling to do something. Walked slowly to the gate, and she just opened her eyes totally, screaming up means narrowing the eyes, trying to see clearly into the pale, somewhat darkness. Are you following, guys? She saw a bald, fat, middle-aged man walking in through the gate. Whom she saw? She saw a bald, fat, middle-aged man coming through the gate. Oh, Gopi, she said in her grating voice. Why this sudden, unexpected visit? Kamala, who asked this question? Kamala asked. To whom? To that person who is coming through the gate. Who is he? He is Gopi. Who is Gopi? Kamala's brother. Who is Gopi? Kamala's brother. Suddenly she saw Gopi. So in her high pitch, it's a surprise for them. Oh, Gopi! Exclaimed man. Why this sudden unexpected visit? Everything is okay? Are you okay, Kamala? Who is it? Right from back, she heard something. Amma is shouting, Kamala, who is it? Her mother asked loudly from the veranda. Who asked this? Her mother. Whose mother? Kamala's mother. Who came to the gate? Gopi came to the gate. Gopi, the man said. The man shouted, Gopi, I'm Gopi. There was a meeting in Thiruvananthapuram. I just dropped in on my way back. Gopi started saying to his mother, there was a meeting in Thiruvananthapuram. There was a meeting in Thiruvananthapuram. So I just dropped, means visited to our house. Who? Kamala. Who is it? Again mother raised her voice. Who is that Kamala? With whom you are talking, Kamala? Who is that guy? There was a note of alarm in Amma's voice about fear, worry. Who came to our house? Who is that person? In that way, who raised her voice? Amma raised. Who asked a question? Amma asked a question. Who worried about the position? Amma worried the position. Note of alarm means fear or worry. Amma, why are you so scared? Kamala said, why are you so scared, Amma? Why are you worried about that? Kamala said, Gopi's elder sister asked her a little awkwardly. Kamala said to Amma, don't get fear, don't get scared. It's a little awkwardly, it is uncomfortably, she said, as if you are seeing Gopi for the first time. What happened to you, Amma? He is my own brother, Gopi. Why are you uncomfortable with him? In that, she said, Amma, it's me, Gopi, he said again. Gopi came to Amma and he started saying, Amma, it's me, Gopi. Once can you imagine such a situation? Amma cannot recognize of his own son. Is it possible? So, what happened to Amma? Listen. She couldn't recognize of her own son. Is it possible? Amma, right from our childhood, she brought up us. She make us to learn everything. Amma is our first teacher. We may learn many things. We may own many habits from our mother. That Amma forgotten Gopi? What happened to Amma? Amma, he went down and brought his face close to her wrinkled cheeks. Amma, it's me. He bent down, Gopi bent down to Amma. Here in the picture we can see. Amma, it's me. Amma, Gopi. But how is her face? Wrinkled. Wrinkle means you might have observed in the old people, skin was folded and face was somewhat wrinkled. Amma is often see Gopi, Kamala, I can't believe it. Has his school closed for vacation? Gopi and Kamala is talking. Gopi, Kamala, I can't believe it. Kamala is asking to Gopi, what happened? I can't believe you are right now. You are here. We can't believe. Either whether your children's school or whether you came for any vacation to here. So Amma Kamala started saying about the Amma's position. Amma is often like this these days. She doesn't recognize anybody. Gopi's sister explained, but sometimes her memory is quite sharp. What happened to Amma? Listen, Amma is quite behaving like this in these days. She doesn't recognize anybody in these days. Who said these words? Gopi's sister. Who is Gopi's sister? Kamala. What happened to Amma? She couldn't recognize anything in these days. She might have lost her memory. But sometimes her memory is quite sharp. Then she asked me if you have sent any letters. I tell her everything is fine with you, Vimala and the kids. What is the point of telling her that you haven't written for a year. Poor thing. I wouldn't dream of making her unhappy. So, but sometimes Amma's memory is quite sharp. She started going on many questions about you, that whether you sent any letters to her, whether Gopi is fine, what about Vimala and the kids. Who is this Vimala? Vimala is Gopi's wife. And she pointed out, going on asking about your letters, going on asking about you, your condition, about your wife, about your children. But Amma doesn't know that you are not at all writing any letters. But I don't want to make my mother unhappy. So I am going on saying that, yes, Gopi written a letter. Yes, Gopi is fine. Yes, Gopi and Vimala and his kids were fine. Yes, today he wrote a letter. Then these are the things is going on nowadays. But Amma doesn't know that Gopi is not at all writing any letters from a year, for a year. I got a promotion last year. After that, I am always on my toes. And there was a 2 hours quite often. I don't get any time to write letters. So now who is saying these words? Who is the speaker now? Gopi. Who lost their memory? Amma. Who started saying all those things about Gopi? About Amma? Kamala. Who is Kamala? Kamala is the eldest daughter of the mother. Who is Gopi? Gopi is the son of Amma. So there is a family. Amma or Amma, one daughter, one son. A daughter name is Kamala. She is the eldest one, a widow. Son Gopi. Who came to the house? Gopi came to the house. How he came? Unexpectedly. Now where he is living? Living in some other, far away from mother. Delhi. Who visited unexpectedly? Gopi visited unexpectedly. Where he visited? Amma's house he visited. Whether Amma recognized him? No. What happened to Amma? Amma lost her memory. Lost her memory. Why? She can recognize the name of Gopi? Yes. Gopi. Whether Amma can recognize Gopi? No. Because, but sometimes it's very sharp. Who's writing the letters to Amma? Whether Gopi wrote any letter to Amma? No. But who is writing letters then? Kamala is writing letters. Why Kamala is writing letters to Amma? She don't want to make her Amma unhappy. Who is Vimala? Gopi's wife. Okay, children. Now where I stopped, poor things, I got a promotion last year. Okay, making her, I wouldn't dream of making her unhappy. Till there, you once again, what is your today's homework? Read lesson, read the lesson. Underline hard words. Refer the dictionary. Find out the meaning. better take any rough or anything. Go to the lesson properly once, twice, thrice. You go to the lesson. Try to underline the hard words. Better buy a dictionary if you have, no problem. Just take the dictionary. Try to refer those words in the dictionary and find out the meaning as well as the parts of speech. Which parts of speech? Is it a noun? Is it a verb? Is it an adverb? Whatever may be preposition or whatever may be, just identify the parts of speech also. Thank you.